everyone, it's Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in the What Would You Make challenge. It's hosted every month by OK at Home DIY and Marsha's Mush and Stuff. And this month's guest host is CeeJ DIY. Please go check out all of these ladies' channels. They are absolutely wonderful people and so very, very talented. Also, I will have their channels listed in the play box, in the description box below, as well as the playlist of everyone who is participating. All right, so this very first DIY, I just have two for you today. This is a sign, a reversible sign. So on the front side, it says harvest, and then I made a welcome on the other side, so you can kind of flip it around and use it all year if you'd like. I got this sign. It was $14.99 at Joann's. I got it 90% off on clearance. So I always try to find those clearance items in between the seasons, So I paid $1.49, and this is a very thick, nice, heavy wood sign. So always keep your eye out. I know I love me some Dollar Tree. Don't get me wrong. I'm there all the time. But a lot of times these nicer pieces, you can get them very inexpensively if you just kind of keep your eyes open and go in between seasons. So pretty soon, because everything happens so quickly, fall stuff will be clearance, as they're bringing in Christmas and all that. But anyway, you already know that. This is pretty simple. I am using Waverly White to paint basically everything. Now, my white Waverly paint is kind of at the bottom of the barrel. It was really thick, so I did water it down. However, I do like working with it a little bit better that way, because if it's too thick, my brush drags, and then you get those ugly stroke looks, So this kind of helps that. So I do thin out my paint every now and then. This is a custom paint. Really, it's just black with a little bit of truffle I used for some beads on a previous project. And let me just tell you, I've had it in that bowl with just saran wrap around it for, a week, and it is just fine. So I need to probably put it in a jar with a lid, but I'm not wasting it. So we're using that today. So I'm going to, there's that little inner frame on the inside there. So I'm taping off to the best of my ability. And thank God I thought of that. I was starting to paint it without that. I'm like, oh no, I do not have a steady hand. So, I'm going to just paint that whole inside frame there with this custom black brown color. And then what do I do after this? Trying to think. I can't remember what side I work on first. Well, anyways, I'm going to use some scrapbook paper. It's a really pretty, kind of like a plaid. I don't know what to call it, but a very neutral color. And I'm going to put that paper on the inside of this side of the frame, as well as on the inside of the other side of the frame. So that will be the same on both sides. It's just how I decorate it that'll be different. I am going to use the Dollar Tree. Are they 10 letters, galvanized letters, whatever they are? Not letters, words. Harvest and welcome. So on this side, this is technically, I think, the front side, but to me, I don't know. It doesn't matter because we're using both sides. I am not making any sense today. I'm so sorry. I'm touching up a little bit of my boo-boos. Didn't really matter on that inside portion. There we go, because the paper is going to be there anyway. So I'm going to measure out this paper. I do make a big mistake, but you live and learn. My lesson to you today is measure twice, cut once. So important, because I cut it too short. However, I was able to paper piece it back together, so it's pretty seamless. I don't think you can really tell. You'd have to really be examining it, so if someone's over examining my decorations that much, I'm going to question what they're doing anyway. Golly, I'm feisty today. Sorry, people. Oh my God. I don't feel very good. My allergies are bothering me. Oh, word. Oh, my word. Anyway, so here we go. I'm just doing the thing, Mod Podging this paper down. I usually don't struggle this much, but I was struggling. It is what it is. But there you go. I did piece it together. I did an okay job there. So, all right. So we're going to Mod Podge that in here. And of course, I don't know if I already did it on the other side or not, but after we do that, this is the harvest side. I'm going to just use 3 different size pumpkins to glue like in the right corner. And I'm going to paint that harvest sign, my custom mixture, blackish paint. And I'm calling it blackish because it was kind of like a truffle black mix. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But that paint, I'm going to paint the word harvest, and I'm going to use that same color paint. No, I don't. No, I don't. Take that back. Just for harvest. On the other side, I'm going to use white on the word welcome, but that black paint on the plaque. So you'll see that here is probably easier to watch than for me to explain. So I will catch up with you on the second and final DIY.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady, we will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side, are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride, let your spirit shine through. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Cause nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the first DIY. So we are moving on to DIY number 2. Very, very easy DIY. I got this cute wooden pumpkin at the Dollar Tree. I love these. I just absolutely, I've had several of them I've redone. So yeah, I'm just going to paint this in celery, and then I'm going to use a rub-on transfer that I was lucky enough to find at Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use a little bit of lamb's ear. Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? Lamb's ear. And make a little bow and some curly cues out of some garland, and it's just so adorable and so easy to transform these Dollar Tree pumpkins. So if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I am so, so grateful for each and every one of you. And if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, I just want to say hi and welcome you. So happy that you are here. I love to do Dollar Tree DIYs, thrift flips, all kinds of DIYs, but affordable and easy to do. So if you're into that, I welcome you to my channel. And if you don't mind, please like this video. It greatly, greatly helps my channel. So thank you so much. All right, going back to the DIY. So basically that's it. I forgot to mention I did take some truffle and I'm going to, just kind of distress it up a little bit. And then, we're going to put that rub-on transfer on and then do a little bit of decorating. So I'll catch up with you in just a moment.
Not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. I want it falls to wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked one. You wicked drowning water.
Right, we're almost done here. So what I did notice on the little transfer, that cute little orange pumpkin, I just kind of want to knock it down just a little bit, just color-wise. For me, I thought it would just be better to blend in a little bit of that plaster color or white or whatever I'm using. So that's all I did there. And that was it. I thought it turned out so super cute. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. And I really, really, really hope everybody has a wonderful day. And we will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.